Hello guys and welcome to Top Foreign channel. Almost everyone is interested in making money online for free, but it's not always easy. So I'm going to show you how to do it, even if you're a total beginner, but you can do it anywhere in the world whenever you want, and it's totally free. So let me just get started. To get started, let's look at this website. This website gives you $12 for each 1,000 views you receive from the United States. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it. But what's more is that you can get Bitcoin if you scroll all the way down, and that's a pretty sweet deal, don't you think? Honestly, it's the perfect time to buy Bitcoin because the price is really dropping and next year will be great for Bitcoin. So if you get some now, you can double your income in a few months. This website is going to give you Bitcoin, so get that Bitcoin as soon as possible. The website x.io will give you Bitcoin, and I will tell you the best thing you can do if you just spend a couple minutes setting it up. These people shorten links by using this website. When you click on their links, you will be taken to a page that shows an ad first, and you will get paid for the traffic. These ad companies pay them money when you click on their links. We can see that it can be done in 3 easy steps. You create an account, you shorten your link, and when someone clicks on it, you get paid. However, how do we get the traffic to get there? Please follow the video very carefully in order to make this money, because I am going to show you all the steps you need to take to shorten those links. If you don't follow the video, you might miss some steps, and that's bad for us. First of all, sign up with some simple information and let us go and make those dollars. Guys, this works wherever you are. No matter what your location is, you can get some money no matter where you live. It's all about you. If you invest more time into it, you'll get a lot more money with it. So now we just have to find the URL which we need to shorten. So here are the steps you can take. The first thing you should do is go to YouTube and type, for example, weight lose. You will come across many videos on YouTube that provide weight lose. Some of these videos include expert tips that no person should miss and advice on how to become a better person. Weight lose is just one niche, but there are many other niches such as fitness, health, and books that can also generate income if you can drive traffic to them. However, the weight lose niche is particularly lucrative because many persons are interested in accessing weight lose advice and are likely to click on these types of videos. Before we proceed with the video, it's evident that many people are interested in finding ways to improve their weight lose skills and take better health. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below and suggest any video content ideas that you would like to see. After all, these videos are created for the viewers, and I want to ensure that I receive as much feedback as possible. Additionally, please let me know which device you use, whether it's an Android or iOS, as this will help me create better content that is accessible to everyone. While you're leaving a comment, I would appreciate it if you could also mention where you're from, as I enjoy reading all of your feedback and will make an effort to respond to each one of them. Now let's get back to the video. To start with, click on one of the videos, but you don't have to watch it entirely. What matters is that the video has a high number of views. Once you have selected the video, click on the share button and copy the link. Then go back to x.io, paste the link in the space provided, and click on the shorten button. Once you have pasted the link into the x.io website and clicked on the shorten button, you will receive a shortened version of the link. When someone clicks on this link, an advertisement will appear before the video begins playing. You will earn money from the ad revenue generated by the company, even if the viewer decides not to watch the entire video. Essentially, you are helping people by providing access to useful content while also earning money in the process. Now that you have the shortened link, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Now that we have obtained the shortened link, the next step is to find potential viewers or traffic for it. The simplest way to do this is to search for online forums that cater to weight lose. You can begin by typing weight lose forums into a search engine and browsing through the results. There are numerous active forums where people can engage in discussions, and you can capitalize on these by sharing your link. For instance, you can check out the top 25 weight lose forums, and the first one on the list, weightloseforum.com, appears to be quite active with an average of 4 daily posts. Explain to them that you have come across an informative video on YouTube about weight loss tips, and many people are interested in watching it. You don't have to limit yourself to one video. You can select multiple videos to increase the likelihood of clicks. As mentioned earlier, you can apply this method to other niches such as fitness. For instance, you can target weight loss tips. To tap into the fitness niche, there is a large audience available. For instance, you can find popular videos such as one with 9.7 million views. Similarly, you can shorten its link and follow the same process as before. However, the audience will be different this time. You need to visit weight loss forums and engage with the members there. You can also explore Facebook groups related to weight loss and participate in the discussions. By doing so, you can attract more clicks and earn more money. To summarize, the tutorial has come to an end, and if you have gained any new knowledge, please click the thumbs up button below. In addition, to find traffic for the weight loss niche, you can search for popular weight loss videos, shorten their links, and promote them on weight loss forums, Facebook groups, and other related social media platforms. Similarly, for the weight loss niche, you can join weight loss forums and Facebook groups and share the links of relevant popular weight loss videos with them. To summarize, don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback about today's tutorial. We always appreciate hearing from our viewers. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel with notifications on, so you don't miss any of our latest money-making methods. This Top 4 Earn channel, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.